Good morning, all of you. Okay. Then, in our library, approximately 5,000 books are there. Approximately 5,000 books are there. What do you mean by approximately? Approximately means estimate. What do you mean by estimate? Do you know? Estimate means that is not actual value, near to actual value. When do we use this estimate value? For mind calculation or mental calculation, we are using this estimate value. Okay. Can we check how can we find the estimate value? Okay, for finding estimate value, first step we want to round off the numbers. What is the first step? Round off the numbers. For rounding off and all you already studied. Anyway, just I will revise it. You already studied. So, what is the first step? What is that new word? Approximately. Approximately means estimate. For finding estimate value, what is the first step? First step, we want to round off the numbers. Okay. $23, $145, $1,365. Okay, I am going to round off each number. Okay, what is round off? Round off. If the number is 2-digit number means round off to the nearest 10. 2-digit means round off to the nearest 10. Okay. If the number is 3-digit number means round off to the nearest 100. If the number is 4-digit number means round off to the nearest 1,000. Okay. So, 2-digit means round off to the nearest 10. 3-digit means round off the nearest 100. 4-digit means round off the nearest 1,000. First step all of you understood? Okay. Can we check how to round off this number? Here, this one, 23. 23 lies between which are the tens? Yes, 23 lies between 20 and 30. Then we want to find which one is the answer. For round off the nearest 10 means look at the ones place. No need to look at other places and all. Only ones place. If ones place number is 1 means this is your answer. Okay. Here 2 means this is your answer. Here 3 means this is your answer. Here 4 means this is your answer. Okay. Here 5 means this is your answer. Here 6 means this is your answer. 7 means this is your answer. 8 also this is your answer. 9 also this is your answer. Understood? Okay. Then 25. What is the answer? Okay, we know 25 lies between 20 and 30. Look at the ones place, 5. So what is the answer? Right side, that is 30. 21, which is the answer? We know 21 lies between 20 and 30. Look at the ones place. So 1. What is the answer? 20. Okay, all of you understood? Next one, I am going to show 145. Round off to the nearest 100. 145 lies between which are the 100? We know 100 and 200. For round off to the nearest 10, we look at the ones place. This digit for round off to the nearest 10. These 4 round off to the nearest 100. Same way, here 1 means this is the answer. Here 2 means this is the answer. Here 3 means this is the answer. Here 4 means this is the answer. Okay. Here 5 means this is the answer. Okay. Here 6 means this is the answer. Here 7 means this is the answer. Here 8 means this is the answer. Here 9 means this is the answer. Understood? Round off to the nearest 10. Look at the ones place. Round off to the nearest 100. Look at the tens place. Okay. Then 165. What is the answer? We know 165 lies between 100 and 200. Tens place 6. So what is the answer? 200. 156. What is the answer? 156 lies between 100 and 200. Then tens place which digit? 5. So which is the answer? 200. Understood all of you? Okay. Next one, round off to the nearest 1000. 1365 lies between which are the 1000? Yes, 1000 and 2000. This place, ones place for round off to the nearest 10. This place for round off to the nearest 100. This place for round off to the nearest 1000. Same way, here 1 means this is the answer. Here 2 means this is the answer. Here 3 means this is the answer. Here 4 means this is the answer. Here 5 means this is the answer. Here 6 means this is the answer. Here 7 means this is the answer. Here 8 means this is the answer. Here 9 means this is the answer. Understood? Okay. 1372. What is the answer? We know 1372 lies between 1000 and 2000. Which digit we want to look at? Which digit we want to check? Once this 4 round off to the nearest 10. This 4 round off to the nearest 100. This 4 round off to the nearest 1000. 3. 3 means what is the answer? Yes, 1000. Our question is 1569. Same way, 1569 lies between 1000 and 2000. This 4 round off to the nearest 10, round off to the nearest 100, round off to the nearest 1000. So what is the answer? 2000. All of you understood? Okay, how to round off? This and all you already studied. Okay, anyway I revise it. Okay, so 2-digit number means round off to the nearest 10. 3-digit means round off to the nearest 100. 4-digit means round off to the nearest 1000. For round off to the nearest 10, look at the ones place. Round off to the nearest 100, look at the tens place. Round off to the nearest 1000, look at the hundreds place. Understood? Okay. Can we do one question? First question, 436 into 229. We want to find the estimate value. Estimate value of 436 into 229. What is the first step? First step, round off. Okay, then how many digits are here? 3 digits are there. So we understood round off to the nearest 100. 436 here, 400 here, 500. Which digit we want to consider? First digit or second digit? This for nearest 10, this for nearest 100. 3 means which one is answer? Yes, this one is answer. So first answer 400. Okay, next one 229. 229 lies between which are the 100? 200 and 300. Look, this for round off to the nearest 10. This for round off to the nearest 100. Okay, then which one is answer? 200. We got round off to the 436 is 400. Round off to the 229 is 200. Okay, then instead of 436, we can write round off answer, that is 400. Okay, instead of 229, the round off answer 200 we can write. Understand? The round off. What is the answer of 436? After round off, we will get 400. If we round off this number, we will get 200. Okay, then 400 into 200. We already studied the number ends with 0. We have mental calculation. No need to multiply. So we can split this one. 400, how can we split? 4 into 100. 200, how can we split? 2 into 100. Okay. Then multiply the numbers first. Which are the numbers? 4 is there, 2 is there. So 4 into 2, 8. Then into 100. We know into 100 means adding by 2 zeros, that we studied last class. Into 100 means adding by 2 zeros. Again into 100 means adding by 2 more zeros. So we got answer. What is our answer? 80,000. Understood? Can we check one more question also? $652 into 231. What is the first step? First step, round off. Check how many digits number is this one. This one is 3-digit number. So round off to the nearest 100. 652. Here what will come? 600. Here what will come? 700. Round off to the nearest 10. Round off to the nearest 100. So which one is answer? 700. Okay. Then this one. 231. 231 lies between which are the 100? 200 and 300. 3. 3 means which one is answer? 3 means 200. Okay. Then instead of 652 we can write 700 into, instead of 231 we can write 200. We can multiply in an easy method. So 700 we can split 7 into 100. 200 we can split 2 into 100. First multiply the numbers. Which are the number? 7 into 2. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. Then multiplying by multiplying by 100 means add 2 zeros. Again multiplying by 100 means add 2 more zero. So what is our answer? 1,40,000. Okay. Another question. $1,365 into 29. Okay. Then here how many digits number are here? Yes, here 4-digit number. So 4-digit number means round off to the nearest 1000. So 1,365 lies between which are the 1000? Yes, 1,000 and 2,000. Okay. Then these 4 round off to the nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. So 3 means which one is the answer? 1000 is the answer. Okay, next one, 29. 29 means 2-digit number. 2-digit number means round off to the nearest 10. So 29 means here 20, here 30. Look at the ones place. So which digit is in ones place? 9. So what is the answer? 30. Okay. Instead of 1,365 we can write 1,000. Instead of 29 we can write 30. Then we can split this one 1000 into 3 into 10. Only 3. No other number. So write that 3 itself. Then into 10 means add 1 0. Into 1000 means add 3 0. So what is the answer? Answer is 30,000. Okay. One more question. $2,537 into 31. Same way, 4-digit number, 2-digit number. 4-digit number we know, round off to the nearest 1000. So 2,537. Here which 1000 will come? 2000. Here what will come? 3000. Okay. Nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. 5 means which one is the answer? 3000. Okay. Next 31. 31 lies between which are the tens? 30 and 40. Ones place means round off to the nearest 10 means that is we want to check ones place. So which one is the answer? 30. Okay. Instead of 2,537 we can write 3,000 into, instead of 31 we can write 30. Okay, then we can split 3 into 1000 into 3 into 10. Multiply the numbers first. 3 into 3, 9. Into 10 means add 1 0. Into 1000 means add 3 zeros. So what is the answer? 90,000. All of you understood? Okay. Then take the workbook. Page number 15. Okay. First question, round off. 576. 100, 500 is the, 600 is the. Which one is the answer? You should circle that answer. Same way this one also round off. Which one is answer? Round off that answer. Okay. Next one, what we did? Find the estimate product. Product means after multiplying one answer we will get. This is the product. This is the product of this question. That means answer. Okay. We want to find here this one, this one, this one. Okay. Then 4-digit number into 2-digit number. I showed this method. In your workbook, you can see another method. Compared to that method, what we studied, that is easy method. Okay, that's why I select this one. Understood? Both are correct, but compared to this method, our method is easy. So you can follow this method. Understood? Okay. The last one, word problem. One day Bhaskar travelled 116 kilometer. One day 116 kilometer. Like this, how many days he is going? 175 days. We want to find how much did he travel. Okay. Here means what want to do? Yes, we want to multiply. Okay, 116 into 175. This we last class we discussed, like this question is coming means multiplication. Last class we discussed. Okay, so here we want to multiply. But here we want to find the estimate value. Okay, first you want to round off, then find the estimate value. Understood all of you? Okay, the next one, homework page number 18. Page number 18, additional practice. Question 5, then 6, 7, 8 also you can do. Why means this is last block, that means not last block, this one is last LP. So last question means question 5 already there, then 3 hard question also is there, that also you can do. Understood all of you? Okay, thank you.